Here's the easy way to draw Banbaleena from Garten of BanBan. We're going to start out with a little circle. And then draw the pupil looking to the side. Then come over a little ways and we'll draw another circle. Then draw a half circle looking to the side. Draw a curving line. And then it swoops down and connects to the other side. Now we'll draw the shape of the face. Come over here and draw a line that goes up. Come over to this side. Draw a line. Then we're going to draw the ear. It swoops like this. Comes up to a point and goes down. And then the bow, we're going to draw a diagonal rectangle. And then draw a line coming out. Then it comes in and then connects to the rectangle. Then go to this side and we'll draw a line coming out. Goes past the ear and comes in. Then connects to the rectangle. Then we'll erase. Next we'll draw the shoulders. And then draw two lines coming down at an angle. One there, one here. And then we'll draw a line that comes out like this. Then another line that comes down. Then draw a curvy line right here. Come to this side, draw a curve. And then draw a line that comes down and a little fingers. Come to this side, draw a line that comes out. And just try to imagine these lines linking up between here and here so you can know how far to go. Then draw a curve. Draw another curve. And then, likewise, imagine that there's an invisible horizontal line running across, and you draw your fingers down to that point. And then come back over here. We're going to draw a line that goes down. And then draw a line coming out. It curves just a bit at the tip. And then the bottom of the foot comes in. And then draw a line that comes up. Curves around. Comes down. A line comes out for the foot. Curves back in. And the line goes up to finish off the leg. And that's how you draw Banbaleena from Garten of BanBan. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video.